Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel at Start Up with Breakthrough. If you're new on this channel, I would advise that you follow me, hit the post notification button, because if you intend to make money this year in Nigeria, this is the place. I share realistic business tips. I also share lifestyle vlog, share anything, just opinions here, but most especially I give value. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification. Starting a business will change your life. Starting a business is going to give you money to buy a car. When you start your business, you will blow. When you start your business, you will marry. When you start your business, you will travel all over the world. When you start your business, you will meet people, you will network. These are the truths. They are things that would happen if you successfully run your business, but this is what I called half-truths. So there are other parts to running your business, and one thing people don't ever tell you is that starting a business can actually make you go broke. Yes, starting a business can make you depressed, it can make you go broke, it can make you lose friendship, lose relationships, it can make you miss out on some opportunities. So I'm not trying to input fear in you, but I'm trying to tell you that this is not a joke. So you have to actually think through, you have to look for the best way to run the business, the best way that you will run the business and actually end up successful as the people you have as mentors or people who you know are running businesses and they are successful. Today's video, I'm going to be starting what I call Start Your Business series. So on this series, I'm going to be giving you a framework, I'm going to be giving you a guideline, step-by-step guideline on conversations you're supposed to have, questions you're supposed to ask, research you're supposed to have before you start your business. So I'm going to take you through all the steps that you need to start your business. So make sure you watch all the videos, follow through. If you have questions, you can always send me a mail. My email address here is here. You can always send me a message or drop a comment on my YouTube channel, or you can follow me on Instagram. I will give you feedback ASAP. But this framework is going to help you decide whether you need to start a business or not. So don't start your business without watching this framework, this series by Start Up with Breakthrough. So you will be like, who is this babe that is talking about starting a business? What experience does she have? So I have been running business for the last 7-8 years, and in this period of running my business, I have been able to get grants for my business, get a VC investment for my business, a financial education platform for teenagers in Africa, and I've been able to launch several businesses, at most over 10 businesses, and 3 of them are successfully running at the moment. So I don't just have experience in running business, I have also attended several boot camps, several accelerator trainings. I've also had a mini MBA at the University of Lagos in Lagos, Nigeria. I've also had entrepreneur training at EDTECH at the Lagos Business School. I can go on and on and on, but this is to tell you that I have had the experience and I have had loads and loads and loads of training. So I am the right person to tell you how to run your business in Nigeria. And when I comment in Nigeria, it's important to know that different countries, different regions, different areas have ways of running their business. So if you don't try to find out what are the best ways or best way to align and do your business in Nigeria, you'll be in trouble. You already know that, yeah? So let's start off with starting your business. So as I always say, make sure you watch all through the series. They are just 5 videos and I tried my possible best to make it as short as possible, so you can just go in there, get your value, get your checklist, get your guide and move on. So nothing will keep you for so long. I summarized everything, but you will get the answers to all the questions that has been troubling you. The guideline is going to be your best bet. Now, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is mindset. So make sure you watch the video to the end.